Hi, my name is Richard Gershon,
And I'm Lisa Crowan.
and we're the working group co-chairs for Remote Assessment Working Group, and we'd like to share our SMART goals with you. So our first goal is to document the work remote alternatives for existing EWCP that were developed during the pandemic. So these are the work that we've done to date. We've had a very large group that's met primarily in small working groups, including production of a participant app for the NIH Toolbox, which allows the NIH Toolbox to be given to a participant while they're sitting at home. Recommendations for how to give anthropometric measurement remotely. We've led several efforts to make certain that we document the mode of administration as people switch to Zoom versus face-to-face within both the data collection forms and within the data collection system managed by the DAC. The Biospecimen Working Group has worked with us to create alternative methods, remote methods for collecting biospecimens, and we did a lot of work on the feasibility of remote spirometry and remote blood pressure collection.
Our second goal is to develop remote alternatives for all Echo-Wide Common Protocol elements where needed. So we're going to be starting with the essential elements on the protocol and reviewing carefully what is currently available and in terms of collecting data remotely. And after we finish that, we'll turn our attention to the recommended Echo-Wide Common Protocol elements. We'll do this work in coordination with other working groups. We realize it's very important that we bring in the expertise and the interest of all of the ECHO partners. So we'll be working with the biospecimens work group, the outcomes working groups, and chemical exposures, to name a few. And the detailed work will involve developing timelines and researching options for existing options that exist currently for remote collection, developing and validating those existing alternatives, if needed, developing new hardware or software, and figuring out what it'll take to develop that hardware and software in terms of cost, training of personnel, and so on.